Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. G TV. 9:45 on a Saturday evening, and wonderful weather, wet roads, windscreen wipers on, and I'm driving down the A55 west. And when you're out driving like this, particularly at night, it connects me to all sorts of colours. That's all you can see. Red brake lights, routed with red. Blue sky, throat chakra, communication. White car in front, pure white light, healing. And that's pretty much how I live my life. I look for external colours to connect with that have meaning for me. Yellow, roadworks sign on the left, solar plexus chakra. Green sign, there's, and the green sign coming up now, heart chakra. You know, everything has meaning, and we are, as human beings, meaning making. We have meaning making minds, and what we associate to and associate with defines us. So if you associate to low vibrational things, you'll be low vibration. Now obviously I enjoy the world, I enjoy my stuff, things, I enjoy my acquisitions, the things that I've achieved by goal setting and goal getting. But what's got more value to me now is my mind and the quality of my thoughts and peace of mind. And I'm out and about tonight, seeing people, dropping people off, been out for food, done a bit of shopping today, socialised, and each one of those has special meaning for me. I'm giving everything purpose. Everything has significance and value, and that's a massive word. Significance. What's significant for you? What do you value? Do you consider yourself as significant? Do you have good self-esteem? Do you have a good self-concept? How do you see yourself? All these avatars we create, like even myself with Mr. G, Mike G, Mr. Mike Garner, that's a brand, and it does represent me, but my name is Michael Garner, that's a brand. Michael Garner has a history, a reputation, there's a story. But even with Michael Garner, my name, Mr. G, Mike G, Mr. Mike Garner, my brand, my company, and whatever you think I am, and whatever I think I am, in any of those roles in my life, that's not who I am. Those are just stories. What I really am is the person that rises above all of those, who survived all those stories, who survived all the bodies that I've been in through my life as a boy, an adolescent, a young man, and now an older man. And I've no way finished my story. I've only just got started. You can reinvent yourself and change your story, the direction of your life, at any time you choose. And it comes back to these colours and the way you view the world and the significance that you get to the things that you see. Green lights coming up, heart chakra. going to orange, sacral chakra, now on red, root chakra, grounding myself now as I become aware of these colours, and just watching these cars. Like, you can people watch, well, for many years, for 32 years as an AA patrol boy and man, I watch cars, I go out, I people watch. Now driving round, I'm road watching, and I'm witnessing. All this is witnessing. And there's such wonderful things to witness. I posted today about being full of wonder, wondering what's going on in all these people's lives. It's gone to green now. I can go get, goal get up and go. See what I'm doing here? That sign there with the black stripe on the white circle is unrestricted. I'm unrestricted. I'm unlimited. Changing the vocabulary that's being shown to me in the world. Signs and wonders, clues, synchronicities. Coach coming towards me there. I'm a coach. And if I wasn't a coach, do I need a coach? How well am I doing? I think I'm doing really well. How well are you doing? Are you picking up these clues from the universe? Rather dark in this stretch of road. I put my headlights on to highlight the road ahead. Cat's eyes light up. What needs to be highlighted in your life? When I do tarot readings, I work in exactly the same way. I look at the pictures, images, colours, textures, numbers, and then I get a feeling. I take a snapshot, and then I go within and I get wisdom. That card that came towards me then, if you play it back or freeze it, had one light on and one light off, half illuminated. Seeing the road just from one side. It was his left one that was bright and his right one that was dim. So that means he's deficient in energy, male energy. Your left eye is the window to the soul, and your right eye is your physical male governor channel eye, and your third eye is the one that really sees and feels and intuits. It's your intuition, and your intuition is your inner tutor. What I'm teaching you here is how to tune into your inner tutor, because you're just driving around at night, and it's there for you, driving, walking, working, talking, socialising. Just take a snapshot of what you're looking at. Camera's ahead there. Reminds me that I'm always being watched, and that's so very true at the moment with society. Used cars on the right hand side. Is your vehicle, your body, is it used? Is it spent? Does it need servicing? Does it need upgrading? Do you need to have an MOT? What's your oil level like? Are you well lubricated? Are your joints supple? Are you well hydrated? Do you need your radiator topping up? Is your battery boosted? Are you in the right gear? Are you wearing the right clothes? Are you travelling in life forwards or backwards in reverse? Pick any object in the world, that bus stop on the left hand side. Place where people rest and wait before they can continue on their journey. So everything in the world is a clue telling you what to do. So I hope you've enjoyed witnessing the world and riding with me in my car as I view the world. And if you want any insights, maybe you could do the same, or maybe you need some guidance from me, but that's up to you. But I'm here to help, and if you need a chat, I'm here for that. But I'm heading home now. take the fastest route from A to B. Sometimes it's good to wake up and smell the roses. In other words, to appreciate everything on the journey. Wonderful area of the North Wales coast this, really love it. Hope you've enjoyed it with me. Check back for more from me for free. Mike G on Mr. GTV. Take care. God bless. Be powerful. Enjoy your mind.